Welcome back to Vintage American Cars. Today, we're diving into a lineup of stunning classic rides that prove American muscle and vintage style never go out of fashion. From rare Pontiacs to bold Chevrolets, each car on this list carries history, character, and raw power. Let's get started. Number 1. 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ. $28,000. We begin with the 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ, a car that perfectly balanced luxury with muscle. The SJ trim was the high-performance version, and this one is especially desirable with its number-matching 428 cubic-inch V8, producing 370 horsepower. It's backed by a TH400 transmission and a 3.23 safety track differential. What makes this car even more appealing is the care it has received. The engine has been recently refreshed with new gaskets, seals, and a rebuilt carburetor. It also features long branch exhaust manifolds feeding into a stainless steel X-pipe system, giving it that deep, throaty muscle car growl. Add in modern upgrades like stainless brake lines and a rebuilt transmission, and you've got a vintage Pontiac that's as reliable as it is powerful. The Grand Prix was always known as Pontiac's gentleman's muscle car, a car that could tear up the streets but still carry you in style and comfort. With cold AC, tilt steering, and a power trunk, this car proves that performance and luxury can go hand in hand. Two, 1964 Chevy Nova SS. $29,500. Next on the list is the 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS, a compact muscle car that's been transformed into a serious street machine. Originally marketed as a stylish but modest compact, this Nova has been heavily upgraded with a 468 big block V8 paired with a Holley carburetor, Edelbrock intake, and a competition-grade roller cam. Handling that power is a set of Caltrax traction bars, disc brakes, coilovers, and a Ford 9-inch rear end, components you'd normally expect to see on a drag car. The interior is fitted with odometer gauges and a B&M Quicksilver shifter, giving the driver full control of this beast. And on the outside, that fiberglass cowl induction hood gives it an aggressive stance that lets you know it means business. The Nova was never meant to be a full-blown muscle car when it launched, but enthusiasts quickly turned it into one. Today, cars like this are perfect for cruising, drag racing, or just turning heads at local car shows. 3. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro RS. $19,500. Our third pick is a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro RS with just over 40,000 original miles. What makes this car stand out is its originality. It still retains its factory 305 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, offering that pure, old-school driving experience. This Camaro comes with its original build sheet, which is a rare bonus that adds collector value. It's been carefully maintained with new tires, radiator, battery, and ignition parts, so it runs smooth and quiet. No rattles, no issues, just a clean, well-kept survivor. By the late 70s, muscle cars were starting to lose some of their raw power due to regulations, but the Camaro RS kept the spirit alive with sharp styling, sporty handling, and driver engagement. For under $20,000, it's a chance to own a piece of Camaro history that still feels authentic. Number 4. 1978 Pontiac Firebird Formula, $28,000. At number 4, we have the 1978 Pontiac Firebird Formula, painted in classic white and equipped with a strong 350 engine paired with a manual transmission. The Firebird formula was designed for enthusiasts who wanted something sportier than the base Firebird, but without the full Trans Am treatment.
This car runs, drives, and stops well, making it a reliable choice for anyone who wants a vintage driver that can still perform on modern roads. The late 70s Firebirds are gaining traction among collectors today, especially since they were immortalized in pop culture during that era. Owning a Formula means you get a piece of that history with a slightly rarer trim level.
Five, 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, $10,000. Coming in at number 5 is a budget-friendly classic, the 1977 Corvette. Painted black, this car might not be cosmetically perfect, but it packs a 350 V8 engine with a performance cam, rebuilt motor and transmission, and the unmistakable Corvette look. What makes this interesting is the price, just $10,000. That's an entry-level ticket into Corvette ownership, and while it needs some minor work like a new trailing arm bolt, the fundamentals are solid. The Corvette has always been America's sports car, and the C3 generation, built from 1968 to 1982, remains iconic with its sweeping curves and shark-inspired styling. For anyone wanting to start their classic car journey without spending a fortune, this Corvette offers both performance and potential.
6. 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Resto Mod, $38,000. At number 6, we have a 1973 Camaro Resto Mod, finished in bold red. This isn't just a restoration, it's been upgraded to deliver modern reliability and performance while keeping the classic Camaro look. Restomods like this often come with high-performance engines, updated suspension, and improved braking systems, making them perfect for those who love vintage cars but also want modern drivability. For $38,000, you're essentially getting a car that looks like it rolled out of the 70s, but drives like a modern sports car. The 1973 Camaro marked the end of the chrome bumper era, making it a special year in Camaro history. This build captures that spirit while elevating it to new heights.
7. 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $13,000. Our 7th car is the 1971 Monte Carlo, Chevrolet's personal luxury coupe with muscle car roots. This particular example has been upgraded with a 383 stroker engine producing 400 horsepower and forged internals. The Monte Carlo was Chevrolet's answer to the booming personal luxury segment of the early 70s, but enthusiasts quickly discovered that its long hood and rear-wheel drive platform made it perfect for big engines. Today, it's often seen as a sleeper car, luxurious on the outside but packing serious muscle under the hood. At just $13,000, this Monte Carlo is an affordable way to enjoy a powerful, stylish, and increasingly collectible classic. Number 8. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, a true time capsule. This Florida one-owner car is loaded with options, including a 350 Ram Air engine with trumpet dual exhaust, factory AC, power brakes, power windows, power locks, and even a power trunk. The Cutlass Supreme was one of Oldsmobile's most popular models, offering a balance of style, performance, and comfort. This particular example comes with original documents and maintenance records, making it especially desirable for collectors. Finished in bright orange with sport mirrors and bucket seats, it's a perfect representation of early 70s American design.
Number 9. 1960 Edsel Ranger. At number 9, we step further back in time with the 1960 Edsel Ranger. The Edsel brand is often remembered for its commercial struggles,
But today, surviving examples like this are rare and collectible. This Ranger started life with a 6-cylinder, but now runs with a 352 V8 and automatic transmission, giving it plenty of power. It features power steering, a turquoise and green interior, and diamond white wall tires. While it has a bit of damage on one fender, it remains a stylish driver that stands out anywhere it goes. The Edsel may not have been a commercial success in its day, but its unique styling and rarity have made it a cult favorite among classic car enthusiasts. 10. 1969 Pontiac Firebird 400, $38,900. Finally, we close with a true classic muscle car, the 1969 Pontiac Firebird 400. With just 37,500 miles, this car has been preserved beautifully. Its deluxe interior looks nearly new, and the exterior still wears its original shade of orange. Under the hood is a powerful 400 cubic inch V8 that delivers the kind of raw performance that made the Firebird famous. Unlike its Camaro cousin, the Firebird had a distinct identity, especially with Pontiac's focus on performance engines and styling cues. This particular example has no rust, no bubbles, and is backed by documentation, making it a highly desirable collector's car. For under $40,000, it's one of the nicest Firebirds you're likely to find. That wraps up today's list of classic American icons. From powerful muscle cars to rare collector gems, each one is a reminder of the golden era of automotive history. Which of these rides would you want in your garage? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again here on Vintage American Cars for more timeless classics.